Were you first? I love the product. I love the idea. I think it's something that's viral-ish. You said it on TikTok live. I think people type. So, but I just have like one question now. I have like a bunch, but again, I'll try to limit it now. Were you able to go as far as to find out how much it is to produce one?
Since there are since the snow globe in fact there comes in different sizes. So we did plan to be a medium sized one. But since our digital globe would in fact the digital globe alone would be a bit pricey, we plan to recycle the PVC products or the used hard plastic for the base of the snow globe so that it can be reusable and can be also soon to be budget friendly for all of us.
Okay, so you weren't able to get to the point where you have a price point yet? Not yet. Okay, just one last. Can you tell us something more about yourself? So your background, why this idea?
For the background of this product, in fact, I was at the library and it was the deadline of the Red Bull basement.
I love the honesty. Good job.
What in fact, it was my second idea. With the second idea, I was at the library of our school, and um, although we are blessed with the sight, with hearing, from one memory that I have remembered as well is that I am a fan of a group, of a musical group, and although yes, we hear music, but there was also a local that was deaf, but they then noticed their musical video of that group doing their sign language, and that led that local to be a fan. And now that they wonder, what does their voices sound like? What does that group sound like? So along with other fans, they tried to describe the the voices of those members through foods. In fact, but you might be wondering why, how is it connected, even though like hearing loss and visually impaired population, and that is where I add the second story. In fact, to honestly say, I'm in fact a new person doing this, so I'm sorry for my apology. I'm for my nervousness. Um, one fact that struck to me was that one of my classmates also works at Maxim, and he was a driver, and he had one passenger that was visually impaired. And although he was visually impaired, he tried to work hard. And although we who are already blessed with sight,
Right, yeah, I'm sorry. I believe your time is up. But thank you so much. We appreciate it. Thank